these are the two types of targeting options that you get. Automatic campaign. This is essentially, it's a really quick campaign to set up, and Amazon decides what keywords to show your ads for, and also it will test ASINs or competitors related products and start testing those for you. So you don't have to do any keyword research. Amazon will do all that for you. The other type of campaign is manual targeting, and that's where you would, if you've done keyword research, that's where you would want to target your specific keywords or your main keywords. So starting out, if you've only got a small budget, I would just recommend starting with a manual campaign and targeting your main keywords. So in terms of keyword selection, if you've only got a small budget, you just want to start out targeting the most specific keywords to your product. So for example, if we use Matthews and looking at his title, we can start to perhaps understand what are the main keywords that he's targeting. So for example, it might be large window bird feeder. And if you need to do some additional keyword research, then you might want to just grab one of these keywords and put it into Merchant Words or Helium 10 or whichever research tool you prefer. So let's do bird feeder just as a starter keyword. I've already put this in. So we can see squirrel-proof bird feeder, that's getting quite a lot of search. And again, with the numbers, just take them with a grain of salt. Just use it as a guide. But this is just going to help us decide, you know, what are the most relevant search volume. So Maddie, I'm not sure if you would consider yours a squirrel-proof bird feeder. I did a little bit of, and again, if you're not sure what you can do, put it into Amazon and just see what comes up on the first page. I didn't see any mention of this product being squirrel proof in your, so we'll leave that one out. Then we've got bird feeders. I actually hadn't come across this term before, but it's essentially a squirrel deterrent cone to stop the squirrels getting into the bird feeder. So again, not relevant, but bird feeders, that might be one. This one's they're looking for a shepherd's hook. So more of a hook to put the bird feeder on. So we're just trying to go down and find the most relevant keywords.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are over 2,500 of us now. We're actually the largest professional community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do, and of course how we can help you either get started or indeed build your own e-commerce business, grow and build your own business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath this video in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.